Welcome back. State Electrical Inspectorate held its 4 officials guilty in the death of 17-year-old boy who died due to electrocution in 2011. 4 officials have been booked for the negligence. Meanwhile, Kollem police have traced an eyewitness of 1,50,000 robbery incident at Kollem reported on Monday. Police are now preparing a sketch of the suspect.
Jeev Bhadarvi also informed that following the recommendation by the State Electrical Inspectorate, Korea police have booked 4 electricity officials for the death of Abhay Gaonkar, aged 17, 3 years after the incident. Gaonkar, a trainee at ITI Kakora, was electrocuted in a stream on May 8, 2011.
Abhay Gaonkar, to nature's ko answer करपा गेल्लो, and to हात धुताना he came in contact with a live wire. And the electrician yon shock yon to on the spot mellow. So in this we received reports from Chief Electrical Engineer where there are some negligence on the part of Kurcharam Electricity Office of maintenance of the line, and the wires were rusted, and there is a utter negligence on the part of the staff of that office of Kurcharam. So we booked the case against all the officials and we are investigating.
Meanwhile, Korea police have found an eyewitness of 1,50,000 robbery incident at Korea reported on Monday. Police Inspector Jeev Bhadarvi informed that sketch of the suspects will be out soon.
Luckily, आमकां थोडे eyewitness मेळ्ळा की ह्या एरियान भोंवतना ते सस्पेक्टांक पळयले मनीस. So आतां we are interviewing them, the witnesses, आणि probably finalize करतले who is a better eyewitness, आणि आमी ते sketch बी काडटले ते सस्पेक्टाचो आणि इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू दवरतले.
So हांगा ह्या सायडीन कितले तेंच्यांनी केले अटेम्प्ट केलो?
ना अटेम्प्ट म्हणल्यार ते खंय बंद घर आहा पळय त्या घरांनी भायर भोंवताले अशें लोक म्हणटात. सो त्या लोकांचें स्टेटमेंट घेवपाचें काम चालू आसा आनी डिस्क्रिप्शन सगळे कॉर्पोरेट करतले आनी वी रीच द फायनल कन्क्लुजन.
Our reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Fire broke out at Ribandar on Tuesday in the house of Nilesh Sargaonkar. Household items were turned into ashes. Fire brigade officials reached at the site and controlled the blazes. What sparked the fire is not known. Fire brigade officials estimate a loss of around 2 lakhs.
आज सकाळी 11:30 दरम्यान कसो उजो पेटलो काय खबर ना. जो उजो पेटलो तो एके सायडींतल्यान चालू जालो. तो अजिबात कंट्रोलान येना जालो. जेन्ना फायर ब्रिगेडीचे मनीस जेन्ना येयले तेन्ना तो कंट्रोलान येयलो आणि म्हाका जे शेजाऱ्यान आनी फायर ब्रिगेडीच्या मनशांनी जो हेल्प केला तांकां मनांतल्यान देव बरें करूं.
एक्झॅक्ट आमकां 12:05 फायर कंट्रोल रूम पणजेसून आमकां कॉल येयले की हाऊस कॉट फायर म्हणून. इमिजिएटली आमी ओल्ड गोवा फायर स्टेशनाची गाडी टर्न आउट केली आनी आमकां दिसलें की उजो मातसो व्हडलो आहा तेज्या खातीर आमी पणजे फायर स्टेशनाची गाडी आपयली. आनी ह्या फायरान चडशे तेजे प्रिमायसीस आनी रुफींग मटेरियल, रुफींग टायल्स, टेबल्स आहा, बेड्स आहा आनी कितें तेजे युटेन्सिल्स अशें जळोन उज्यान काबार जाल्ले आसा. आनी एक्झॅक्ट लॉस कितें आहा तो आजून आमकां कळोंक ना. म्हणजे म्हाका दिसता नियर बाय 2 लाखाच्या अरावंड आसपाक जाय, एप्रोक्सिमेटली 2 lakhs.
Churchill brothers survived a massive relegation scare after their last gasp victory over Sargaonkar Football Club on Monday evening. Despite the failure of floodlights in the crucial period of the match, Churchill scripted a 2-1 victory over the mighty Sargaonkar team in Vasco. Patron of Churchill brothers, Churchill Alema, was delighted to see his team beat the drop by just 1 point. Churchill stressed that his boys had defeated a very strong Sargaonkar team while dismissing the suggestion of the match being fixed.
Thrilled at the outcome of the must-win I-League match against Sargaonkar FC, patron Churchill Alema hugged his players for their gallant show. The winners of I-League last season, Churchill brothers had to beat Sargaonkar at Tilak Stadium on Monday evening to avoid being relegated to 2nd Division. Mariano Diaz's boys were under tremendous pressure to perform as they had endured a pathetic league campaign so far. The Red Brigade shone brightly on the night, although the floodlights malfunction meant that the match had to be completed in gloomy conditions. In the end, the 2-1 result was enough for Churchill to stay in the I-League as they finished 1 point better than relegated Mohammedan Sporting. This result will also boost the confidence of the Federation Cup champions, as Churchill brothers have kept Indian challenge alive in the AFC Cup with their entry into the last 16 stage. Churchill Alemao praised the refereeing in the match against Sargaonkar, but blamed the referees for their mistakes that hampered the team performance for most part of the season.
We have won because of the good referee. With a good referee we won. We lost about 7 games because of the referees. We are going to be maybe second place. They are the good referees today, that's why we have won, otherwise we are not winning the game.
Churchill also dismissed the suggestion that Sargaonkar had taken it lightly so that Churchill brothers could avoid relegation.
Kal personally interest gila Sargaonkar marfat personally. Kirak आके सेट खेळले मी आके सेट कोणी जितलो आम्ही सरदारा मातले म्हणजे इतले सेट स्ट्रॉंग सेट अनेक तेमी सेट खेळले त्या कारण दे ऑल्सो वांटेड अ सेकंड प्लेस तर त्यांनी 1 पॉइंट दिलो खाली दिला पहिले दिला पॉइंट तुझ्या मध्ये आणि ते जे ते सारखे तो नेट टर्न हेडे पण आमचे भुरगे इतले बरे हेवले.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.